Are you ready to officially close your business? Hey everyone, and welcome back. Have you ever wondered what happens when it's time to say goodbye to your business? Legally speaking, maybe you're relocating, shifting focus, or simply ready for a new chapter. Whatever the reason, closing a business isn't just about turning off the lights and locking the doors. There are crucial legal steps you need to take to ensure a clean break, protect yourself from future liabilities, and properly dissolve your entity. And for many small business owners, especially those who used LegalZoom to get started, the question often arises, how do I close my business on LegalZoom? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We'll walk through the process of legally dissolving your business, specifically focusing on how LegalZoom can assist you with this important task. We'll cover everything from understanding why official dissolution is essential to the actual steps involved, potential costs, and what to keep in mind afterward. So, if you're thinking about winding down your entrepreneurial journey, stick around because this video is for you. Why officially dissolve your business? It's more than just closing shop. Before we get into the how, let's talk about the why. You might be thinking, my business isn't active anymore, so why bother with official dissolution? The truth is, failing to properly dissolve your business can lead to a host of problems down the line. First, liability continues. If your business is still legally active, even if dormant, it can still be held liable for past debts, contracts, or even lawsuits. Proper dissolution formally severs these ties, protecting your personal assets from business liabilities. Imagine a disgruntled former customer suing your closed business years later. Without dissolution, you could still be on the hook. Second, ongoing obligations persist. Your business might still be required to file annual reports, pay state fees, and maintain a registered agent, even if it's not generating revenue. These obligations can accumulate, leading to penalties and fines if ignored. Dissolving the entity eliminates these recurring requirements. Third, tax implications. Proper dissolution ensures you handle final tax filings correctly, avoiding potential issues with the IRS or state tax authorities. It's about ensuring a clean financial break. In essence, official dissolution provides a clear, legal end to your business's existence, offering peace of mind and protecting you from unforeseen future headaches. Getting started. Gathering your information. Before you even log into LegalZoom, it's a good idea to gather some essential information. This will make the process smoother and faster. You'll likely need your business entity type. Is it an LLC, corporation, partnership, or sole proprietorship? The dissolution process varies slightly depending on your structure. Your business name and formation date, your registered agent information, any outstanding debts or liabilities. Make a list of everyone you owe money to, including creditors, vendors, and even employees. Assets. What assets does your business own? This could include bank accounts, equipment, real estate, or intellectual property. Tax identification numbers, EIN. Copies of your formation documents, articles of organization for an LLC, articles of incorporation for a corporation, etc. Having this information readily available will help you navigate the LegalZoom platform efficiently. The LegalZoom path to business dissolution. Now, let's get into the specifics of using LegalZoom to dissolve your business. LegalZoom aims to simplify complex legal processes, and business dissolution is no exception. While the exact steps might vary slightly based on your entity type and state, the general flow is as follows. Log in to your LegalZoom account. If you originally formed your business through LegalZoom, you'll already have an account. Log in with your credentials. If you didn't form your business with them but want to use their dissolution services, you'll likely need to create an account first. Navigate to Business Services. Once logged in, look for a section related to Business Services, Manage Your Business, or similar. You're looking for options related to making changes to or dissolving your existing entity. Find the Dissolution Service. LegalZoom typically offers services for various business needs. Search for Business Dissolution, Company Dissolution, LLC Dissolution, or Corporate Dissolution. You might find it under a broader category like Closing a Business or Compliance. Select your entity type and state. LegalZoom will then guide you to select your specific business entity type, e.g., LLC, corporation, and the state in which your business is registered. This is crucial as dissolution requirements are state-specific. Answer a series of questions. LegalZoom will present you with a series of questions to gather all the necessary information for your dissolution documents. These questions will cover reasons for dissolution. While not always legally required, it helps LegalZoom tailor the process. Confirmation of outstanding debts. You'll typically need to affirm that you've paid or made provisions for all outstanding debts and liabilities. This is a critical legal requirement. Distribution of assets. How will remaining assets be distributed among owners or shareholders? Final tax obligations. Acknowledging your responsibility for final tax filings. Authorization. Confirming that the dissolution has been properly authorized by the business owners, e.g., a vote of members for an LLC or shareholders/board for a corporation. Review and customize documents. Based on your answers, LegalZoom will generate the necessary dissolution documents, such as articles of dissolution or a certificate of cancellation, depending on your state and entity type. They'll likely provide opportunities for you to review and make any necessary customizations. This is your chance to double-check all the information. Sign and file. Once you've reviewed and approved the documents, LegalZoom will guide you on the signing process. In many cases, they can electronically file the documents with the appropriate state agencies on your behalf. This is a major benefit of using a service like LegalZoom, as it streamlines the filing process and ensures it's done correctly. Post-filing steps. LegalZoom will often provide a checklist or guidance on the crucial steps to take after the dissolution documents have been filed and approved by the state. These steps are just as important as the filing itself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.